Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download Age of Empires 2 on your PC. As you can see, I have opened Google, and after that we will dig in Age of Empires 2. Just click on it. Now you see a lot of options, but we will scroll a little bit down to the link of Steam. Steam is an official gaming platform, and as you can see, they are showing us some videos, some screenshots, also read some information about this game, and after that we can scroll all the way down to the system requirements. Here you can check if your computer or laptop is eligible to play and download the game. Check it out, and after that, if you have decided you would like to play this game, just scroll a little bit up and there you can click on Add to Cart. Now follow these steps accurately to download and play this game on your laptop or PC. Click on View My Cart, and now we will need to scroll a little bit down and click on Steamworks. Now this site will be opened. If you have opened this site, then click it away and go back, and then click on Continue to Payment. Now you have to log into your account to make sure you can download and play this game. After that, you will click on Buy Now and Continue to Payment. After that, you can download the game and play it today. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!